Oh my goodness, this is so professional. Who are we today?
I, on the other hand, am not looking particularly professional.
What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. You might not recognize me because we are rocking a very bare face today. Yikes. So bare, in fact, you can tell I've shaved off half my eyebrows and I got a nice sit there, and you know, we're just, So, you guys are always asking for me to do an updated everyday makeup routine, and I've been pretty clear telling y'all I'm not exactly a makeup guru, to say the very least, but I figured today I would go ahead and just show you a little updated tutorial of how I paint my own face. Because quite honestly, it's a very dramatic transformation, so if you want to see how I go from this to this, make sure you keep watching. So without further ado, here we go. My very extra everyday makeup routine. We got a lot of work to do, kids. Oh my god, actually, just kidding. Before we get started, you guys have to see my outfit. It is so freaking cute. Literally such a look. Anywhoosie, to the makeup. I already made such a mess. So we are actually in my agency's studio. How crazy is that? Also, yeah, can you believe I have an actual agent whose job it is to like keep tabs on me doing stuff like making dresses out of trash bags? That's hilarious. But prepared for the magic. Ooh, maybe I'll use a sound effect for that instead of that. I don't know. Okay. Alrighty, so first I use La Roche-Posay. I don't really know how to say it. Tinted primer. So just kind of rub that all over my face there until, you know, it's all rubbed on. Fantabulous. Then I will use my foundation. So we got the Makeup Forever HD stick that I actually picked up from Sephora literally on the way here because I was out of it. And I also use a fake beauty blender because I'm too cheap to buy the real one. So I got this one at Marshall's for $3. Now we're gonna put the foundation on. And by the way, I always get dragged for having my foundation be the wrong color as my neck. Honestly, you guys, it's because my face is the wrong color as my neck. It's because of my self-tanner. So, you know, put this all over, kind of like a messy crayon. Mush that in with the beauty blender. Oh yes, we are a beauty guru today, kids. Ooh la la. Fabulous. Kind of. Then next I do concealer. We use the KKW Beauty Concealer. And then I also use NARS Concealer because honestly, I don't know. I just used two. Oh God, and my hair is falling out of my ponytail. So, just gonna leave that like that. Oh well, this isn't a hair tutorial, thank God. So, put on the concealer under my eyes here like that. Looking groovy. Oh, actually, you know, we look kind of like a Scream character, but it's fine. So, then I go ahead and put the NARS one on top of that and just kind of rub that in until it's all, you know, rubbed in. Then I go ahead and set those with powders. I use KKW Beauty powders. Got the translucent powder here and the little mini one. So I go ahead and put those on with a brush. By the way, you guys are always chewing me out about my brush holding. I don't know how you're supposed to actually hold a makeup brush. Like this maybe, like this. I don't really know at all. I just kind of do it how I do it. So I don't know. That's the tea on that. But if I want to hold my brush, it's like a 2-year-old. Whatever. Oh yes, no more eye bags. Great. Then I use a contour stick. I also use KKW Beauty. Wow, this really seems like it's sponsored, but it's not. Wow. Okay. Anyways, yes. Then I just go ahead and put those in lines on my cheeks, scribble it all over my forehead a little bit. I also like to do my nose because I need it to look on fleek. So put a little bit on the sides there, a little bit on the tip, and then we're done. Thank you for watching this makeup tutorial. Okay. So I just go ahead and blend that in until it is blended. My hair's driving me nuts, so I'm gonna take it down. So there we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and do my eyes, which need a lot of assistance today. And we're going to start out with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer that I've been using for 100 years. I use the anti-aging one because I am 25 and now I'm afraid of looking crusty. I just go ahead and rub that on my eyelids there like this. Rub it in with my fingers. Are you supposed to do this? I don't know. Probably not, but I do it anyway. Rebellion. No. Okay. So then I go ahead and put on like a white creamy eyeshadow. I forgot which one I was using this day because I didn't show it, but I'm assuming it was my MAC one. I use that one all the time, so I'll link that in the description if you, for some reason, want to follow what I'm doing. Then I have my fancy Chanel shadow. Ooh la la. I just use a brush and kind of put that on the outside like this. Sort of blend it, kind of. I actually prefer makeup when it doesn't look super blended, so that's what I do. I also put a little bit on the bottom there to make it, you know, just more in general. Then I go ahead and use my highlighter palette, which unfortunately, I'm so sorry, you guys, it's sold out. It was limited edition. I might bring it back at some point, but for now it is gone. But it is the best highlighter in the world. So I go ahead and put that on my inner corner and underneath my lid, so we are all nice and shiny. I also go ahead and throw that on my nose, you know, why not? And, you know, on my cheeks, because I just think the more highlighter, the merrier. I would highlight my entire life if possible. Insta-Ho Glow, my signature. So my eyebrows, before we get started on them, you know, they have been on a literal journey. I mean, if you want a really good laugh, you can see like back what they used to look like. I don't know why I thought this was okay, but that is what I used to do to my eyebrows. And they've changed a lot over the years. I even shaved them off for a video. So we just have a lot going on here. But now this looks really weird, but I actually use literal hair gel to kind of gel my eyebrows in place. So then I go ahead and take my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade thing in the color Ebony and an angled brush, and I draw in little microbladed hairs until they kind of look like actual hairs. Go ahead and add in a tail because there is no tail to my eyebrow because, like I said, I shaved it off. And yeah, once I've got that sort of filled in, I use a little flat brush, which actually looks like a puppet when I hold it like this. Hello, hello, I'm a brush. And then I go ahead and just kind of touch that up until it looks very eyebrowy. So you can see there is my fake eyebrow and there is my real eyebrow. Ta-da! I don't know, some pretty wizardy magic to me if you ask me. Go ahead and do them both so I have, you know, 2 eyebrows. Then I use my Saint Laurent eyeliner. This is the best eyeliner I have ever used. It is awesome. It is worth the splurge. Stays on all day, is fabulous, goes on super smooth. So I put that in my inner waterline, which when I was a child I used to think this would really hurt, but it actually doesn't, so plot twist. Then I use my Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner here. Is having your eyeliner perfectly on fleek better than sex? Well, we'll leave that for you to decide, but wink. I mean, I wish I could wink properly, so I can't though. Anyways, back to the tutorial. I just go ahead and start on the outside and do like a little inner corner wing here. I actually did a full tutorial on my eyeliner as well. If you want to see that, that is way more in depth. But basically I just kind of scribble that along my eyeline here. And then I do the inner corner too, which is really hard for me to film, but I kind of got that sort of little bit. Touch that up with some foundation to make it perfectly on fleek, and boom, we've got a nice little wing there. Nailed it. Then we do our mascara. Pat McGrath has the best mascara I've ever used. I use my fake eyelashes to top that all off. These are in the style Sinful. They're like 30 bucks, but they're worth every penny. But if you want to be cheap, you can get a fabulous dupe on Amazon. Great. This looks hilarious. Okay. Now, I usually use Ardell lash glue, but today I forgot that at home. So I'm borrowing Tarte lash glue from my agent's office today. So we'll see if that works. I just go ahead and stick those on. What do you know? It works just dandy. So glue those lashes on. Oh my God, what a difference. Now you can really see the mascara in action. Oh my gosh, yes. Bottom lashes, always keep it on fleek. Oh, wow. Now the only thing left is my lips are naked. So again, this is the KKW Beauty Nude Lip Liner in number 1. I always use NYX. I always talk about that one, but this is my current favorite other than that one. So I hella overline my lips because I love a good pucker. So go ahead and clean that up on the edges until we have the perfect pout. Love it. This is taking forever. Oh my God, are we done? Yes, we are almost done, kids. So, oh wait, oh my God, pause, screen grab. Look at that highlight. Are you kidding me? Wow. So, speaking of highlight, we're gonna go ahead. I always highlight my body too. I put it on my collarbones, in between my décolletage, or whatever you wanna call this, boobs. And then I go ahead and put it on my shoulders. I got it on my shirt. I don't care. Sparkle everywhere. Yay, yay, yay. Oh my God. Yes. Perfect. Last but not least, we set it all together. Urban Decay setting spray. Mine is so dirty. I'm showing a picture instead because mine's disgusting. But yeah, just go ahead and spray that on. Air my face with my fingers, and oh my goodness, ta-da! There we have it, kids. That is the finished Amber Scholl makeup tutorial. Believe it or not, yes, this is what this looks like after all of that weird nonsense. But glowy, fabulous, yes, great, amazing. And that is how the iconic Jenna Marbles would say, I trick people into thinking I'm good looking. So there you have it, you guys. That was my everyday, yes, everyday, believe it or not, makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the very weird video. Like I said, no beauty guru, but this is what I do, so take everything I say with a grain of salt, but y'all were curious, so now you know. My super short show. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more amazing tutorials and very helpful makeup guru tips. I think we'll go back to some fashion and DIYs and some shopping videos because actually, as we speak, I think I need to go buy a pair of shoes that I just saw in an Instagram ad. So, anywhoosie, I love you guys so very much. Toodles till next time. I love ya. Stay fabulous. XO. You guys can see you can also get some dupes from Amazon. how this really looks like I have a mustache. Okay. Hello, welcome to my channel.